Oh, my back hurts. My knees hurt. My fat hurts. I started running. It's just so hard when you're fat. What top do I have? Oh, too much?
Yeah. One moving left. Looks like it's gone. Hey, we got two. Hey, stack of 2 tires right in front of me.
Good distance. One guy all alone out in that stack of tires in the middle. I doubt I could even get him with preparation H. Oh, there he is. I see him. Hey, Mark, fat guy.
I got 4 back tires back there. Did I hit that kid? Swear to God I did. Don't know to call your shots because I'm going up on your ass.
Whoa.
Hey, you squaring your fucking head, dude. Where's he at? Where's he at? There's the back tire. 12 o'clock. Yeah, he's deep around the corner.
I'm lobbing them back into their spawn. I'm lobbing them into their spawn from here, but... Is there one in the weeds off to the left?
Okay.
Whoa.
Got it.
Is there one in the weeds to the left?
To the left, I don't know.
I thought I saw somebody shooting over there. I guess not.
You might. I've got 2 to the brush to my tire.
What the fuck? A BB just flew from my left to my right from that way. No, please don't shoot me! Oh!
Tommy, Tommy, move straight up. Go.
Hey, watch your hay bale. There's a guy behind that.
I got a jam.
Hey, little man, right there. Hear your position.
All right, let's push up, guys. Let's push them up.
Push!
Here's the cord, guys. Support. There's left side of me. You're still in the fight, though.
You're still in the fight. 2 tires in front of you. Where's your man? Fuck, you got pit on it?
I'm moving.
Where is he?
One in the weeds, one behind the far set of tires.
He's hit, he's hit, he's hit.
One in the weeds. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you for not shooting me though, dude. You got my back, okay?
You could have had your lawn before it said bang.
Oh, no.
Swap it up, guys. Swap it up. Completely cleared your right side.
Like one of those